Hello everyone. Today I'm making the classic corned beef and cabbage meal in honor of St. Patrick's Day. So let's go ahead and get started. I have about a 2.5 pound brisket, flat cut, and it has the seasoning packet in it, as I'm sure all of them do. So I'm going to cook this in the slow cooker today. So I'm putting that in the slow cooker, and then I'm going to add 4 cups of beef broth. Some people add beer, or some people add just water. It's completely up to you. So I'll add the beef broth, and then I will add a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. And then I'm going to sprinkle the seasoning packet over that. Put the lid on it and let that cook on high for about 2 hours. I've prepared cabbage that I've cut into wedges, some potatoes that I've cut up, and carrots. And after the brisket is fork tender, I'll go ahead and put the potatoes in and let them cook for about 30 minutes before I add anything else. After the potatoes have cooked for about 30 minutes, then I'm going to add in the carrots, and I'll cook that an additional 15 to 20 minutes. After the carrots have cooked around 15 minutes, then I'm going to add the cabbage, and it's up to you if you want to cut it into large wedges or small pieces. Just put that in on top, and then you're going to probably cook that for another 30 minutes. You'll just have to check that and see if it's done to your liking. There are many ways to cook this in the slow cooker or the crock pot or on the stove top, but if you're going to be away for a few hours, just cook this on low in the slow cooker and cook that for 5 or 6 hours, and it'll be just fine. So wherever you are, I hope that you have good company and great food, and I hope you enjoy your day. So now I'm going to go ahead and plate this up. So here it is with some of it on the platter, not all of it. That's a lot of food. And yes, I know there's prettier presentations, but this'll do. Happy St. Patrick's Day.